So here's what happened, guys. I was juggling my usual workflow, researching new AI tools, updating my blog, managing WordPress, all the routine stuff that eats up half the day. And at some point, I realized I needed something that could actually take over these tasks instead of just speeding them up. That's when I came across a tool that doesn't just assist you, it literally operates your browser for you. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, we are diving into Retriever AI, what it is, how it works, and why people are calling it one of the most practical automation tools right now. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how far browser automation has come, and whether Retriever is actually worth adding to your workflow. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Now let's jump right in. Alright, my friends, so let's talk about what this platform actually is and why people are getting excited about it. Basically, it's a web automation agent, which means it's a tool that can handle repetitive web tasks for you automatically. Think of it as having a really fast assistant that never gets tired of clicking through websites, filling out forms, or gathering information. What makes it interesting is that it works in 3 different ways: as a browser extension, through a cloud platform, or via an API if you are more technical. The browser extension is especially clever because it runs locally in your browser, which allows it to bypass all those annoying bot detection systems and CAPTCHAs. These systems usually stop automation tools dead in their tracks. And as for what you can actually do with it, guys, the range is pretty impressive. People are using the app for lead generation and to automatically enter data into CRMs. It can also scrape product information from competitor websites, monitor pricing changes, and even automate job applications. On top of that, it helps with scheduling social media posts and running complex workflows that connect multiple services together. It integrates smoothly with tools like Google Sheets, Notion, and Zapier, so it can basically become the central hub for all your automation needs. Under the hood, Retriever is powered by Google's Gemini models, specifically Gemini Flash, which is what gives it that speed and efficiency everyone keeps talking about. So yeah, if you're spending hours every week on repetitive web tasks, it might be worth checking out. Okay guys, now let me show you this tool. I run a tech blog about artificial intelligence, programming, and new tools. Every day I have to research new products, update articles, organize content, and handle tons of routine tasks in WordPress. So let me show you how this tool can automate all of that, my friends, from researching information to working directly inside the WordPress admin panel. First, we install the Chrome extension, and it's all ready to go. I open the panel and tell it, for example, to go to the software section in my WordPress admin. You can see it open in the admin console. I'm already logged in, and it's checking what's inside the WordPress dashboard. It goes to Posts and applies a filter for the software category. The agent starts running, analyzes all the information related to those posts, and gathers everything for me. I just wait for the results. And here they are, folks. Now let's set up the MCP connection. I need to copy this URL so I can link it inside the AI Tools section in the code. Then I open the Connectors tab and add a custom connector. I'm going to name it Retriever AI and paste the URL in here. Now it's fully set up, so let's start a new chat. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, I'll tell it to go to the online Daniel blog, find all the articles in the software and AI tools categories, and create a list of their titles, categories, and the short description. You can see it open in the crawler window, guys, and I'll allow all the actions it requests. And it works really well. It analyzed everything and returned the categories, publication dates, topics, and descriptions for the articles in those 2 categories. Now let's try a practical automation directly inside WordPress. I'll ask the agent to create a draft of a new post with this title: How AI Agents Are Transforming Web Automation. I can also refine the prompt inside the page context. Let's see how it handles the task, folks. It improved the prompt, analyzed my site, and suggested which categories and tags it will use. Then it saves it as a created post draft. Let's run the automation and see what happens, guys. It opens Add Post, examines the layout, and checks what fields are available. Then it enters the title and starts generating the article text using its AI tools. As you can see, folks, it has already created a table, added emojis, saved the draft, and the task is marked as complete now. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering how Retriever stacks up against other AI web agents out there. Let me show you some recent benchmark results that are actually pretty impressive. RTRVR just hit the #1 spot on the Halluminate Web Bench, which is basically the industry standard for testing AI web agents. It achieved an 81.39% overall success rate, making it the first agent to break the 80% threshold. To put that in perspective, it outperformed OpenAI Operator combined with human assistance, which scored 76.5%, and Anthropic's Sonnet 3.7 scored 66%. Folks, when you break it down by task type, the tool excelled at read tasks with an 88.24% success rate, which is about 8% higher than the next competitor. For write tasks, which involve complex interactive actions like filling forms or clicking through workflows, it hit 65.63%, which is 19% higher than the runner-up. But here's where things get really interesting, guys. Speed. Retriever completes tasks in an average of 0.9 minutes. That's 7 times faster than Browser Use Cloud, 11 times faster than OpenAI's agent, and 13 times faster than Anthropic's solution. When you're automating repetitive tasks all day, that speed difference adds up fast. Cost is another major factor. Retriever averages about 12 cents per task, making it roughly 25 times more cost-effective than cloud-based alternatives. This efficiency comes from being powered by Google's Gemini Flash model, which balances performance with affordability. So why does this tool perform so much better? It comes down to architecture, my friends. Most competing agents run in the cloud and interact with websites through screenshots, kind of like taking pictures of a web page and trying to figure out what to click. Retriever runs locally in your browser and works directly with the HTML structure of websites. This means it doesn't get blocked by bot detection systems, it can reuse your already logged-in sessions, and it handles things like pop-ups and overlays that confuse vision-based agents. The local-first approach also gives this tool a huge reliability advantage. Cloud-based agents have infrastructure error rates around 30 to 50%, while our tool sits at just 3.39%. That's a massive difference when you're running automations that need to work consistently. Folks, in practical terms, Retriever works with paywalled content and subscription services because it's using your actual browser sessions. It doesn't get stopped by CAPTCHAs, and your credentials never leave your machine, so privacy stays intact. When you combine superior accuracy, blazing speed, and cost efficiency, this platform stands out as the strongest option. It's a great choice for anyone serious about web automation. Whether you're a solo developer or running enterprise-level operations, it can handle the job. Alright, my friends, that's pretty much the full picture of how Retriever works and what it can actually do in a real workflow. For me, the biggest takeaway is that this isn't just another AI helper that gives you suggestions, it literally does the work for you. From collecting data to managing WordPress, it feels more like handing tasks off to a reliable assistant instead of doing everything yourself. If you spend hours every week clicking around websites, updating posts, or researching tools, this could save you a lot of time. Even doing any kind of repetitive online work can become much easier. Honestly, it might be worth giving a try. Even running a few small automations can save a surprising amount of time. I'll drop all the links down below so you can test Retriever yourself. And by the way, you can use it for free by bringing in a Gemini key from Google's AI Studio. Let me know in the comments what you'd use it for, or if you want me to try automating something specific in a future video. I always love reading your ideas, guys. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.